Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a fillable text box name using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF editor and I'll change this text box name. Now click on this form option and here you will find the select field option. Select. Now click on this text field and select. Now click right button, your mouse cursor and select properties option, and properties dialog box go general option and this text box general name and you can change it. And box 01. Now select close and this text box name now change. Also I'll change this text box name properties option similar way. You can change and see this close and see all of this text box name on random change, and you can change all of this text box name at once and drag your mouse and select multiple one and this properties option. Here you will find this name option. You can give new name or you can give new name and press enter and see this already this name existed and give here another unique name and this will change and see this all of this text boxes name now change and see this and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.